in this 40 to 50 minute setting where there's going to be a determination as to who's going to be the primary parent and who's got the most availability to be around their children, to be there for them when they are coming home from school, to do school work, to be there for them on Saturdays and Sundays. And generally, there's going to be a winner and there's going to be a loser. And the only way to avoid that is to have a compromise without the necessity of a hearing, because that judge has no duty to be fair. The fair is what you get in Dallas in the fall. What you get in the courtroom is a reasonable ruling based on the greater weight of believable, admissible evidence and what is in the best interest of the health, safety, welfare of the children. So the judge is digesting all this information from total strangers and their attorneys, and then has to make a decision as to what they think is in the best interest of the children. And protecting the status quo is always going to be very high up on that list. If one parent has been the breadwinner and is the jet setter and is flying all around the country, no matter how good a parent that is, no matter how good a provider that parent is, that absenteeism, that sacrifice they made to be away from their family, to provide for to put bread on their family's table is going to be noted, as well as the other parent who diminished their earning capacity to raise that child or those children so that the other parent could do the sacrifice to jet set. And it's a very difficult, nuanced situation to be in. And that is a very, very hard decision for the judge to make. And the judge has to make that decision in a split second. So, these are things to expect in a temporary orders ruling, and why I say it's a heavyweight title fight. It's Rocky 2, Creed versus Rocky, 10 rounds, win by decision by 1.5 points. It's not going to be a Buffalo Bills, Dallas Cowboys Super Bowl blowout. It's going to be a New England Patriots, Los Angeles Rams 13-9 in the sleet and 2 overtimes. That's how nuanced it is. And it is a battle. And it's kind of an ugly battle. So if you can avoid it, if you can compromise, I encourage that. Anyhow, I hope you find these video series helpful. This has been an idea of what to expect in a temporary orders setting. Please like, subscribe, and share. I mean these to be informational, helpful, and uplifting. So please leave me a question or comment if you wish, and I'll reply back to it in a subsequent video series or in a message back to you directly, or both. Thank you again for watching. I'll be doing more in the studio on Texas family law coming real soon. Thank you again. Bring the light.